Have you ever listened to English and felt lost? Like every word disappears before you can catch it? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll help you slow down so you can finally understand every word, every sentence, every sound. Welcome, my friend. Take a deep breath. You're not here to study hard, you're here to listen slowly. Let's begin your calm English journey. Meet Alex. He's 28 years old, and he wants to speak English clearly. Every morning, he listens to English podcasts while brushing his teeth. But there's a problem. The people speak too fast. Words mix together. Alex hears only sounds, not meaning. "Why is English so hard?" he whispers to himself. "I study, I listen, I try, but I still don't understand." That morning, Alex decided to change something. Instead of trying to listen fast, he decided to listen slowly. Slowly, calmly, with focus. And that's where everything began to change. He made a cup of tea, sat near his window, and played a short story at half speed. At first, it felt strange. The voice was slower. The pauses were longer. But for the first time, Alex could hear every word. "Oh, so that's what they said," he smiled. It was like finding hidden treasure. He repeated after the voice. "Good morning. How are you today?" "I am fine, thank you." Simple words, but powerful. Because now, Alex wasn't just hearing, he was understanding. He realized something important. It's not about speed, it's about clarity. A few days later, Alex tried watching a YouTube video again, this time at normal speed. And he froze. The speaker was fast again. His mind panicked. "I can't do this," he thought. But then he remembered something. Slow down. Breathe. Listen. He replayed the same video, this time slower. He wrote down the words he heard, and he repeated them softly. Step by step. "You know," Alex laughed, "maybe my ears are just lazy. They need exercise." That's when he created his own rule. One slow story a day keeps confusion away. After 1 week of slow listening, something amazing happened. One morning, Alex was at a cafe. A tourist asked him, "Hey, do you know where the bus station is?" Normally, Alex would freeze. But this time, he understood the question instantly. His eyes widened. His brain whispered, "Wait, did I just understand that?" He pointed to the right and said, "Yes, go straight, then turn left." The tourist smiled and said, "Thanks, man." Alex felt like he had just won a small battle. He didn't say much, but he understood everything. That moment gave him confidence, real confidence, because for the first time, English didn't feel scary. It felt possible. What Alex discovered is something every beginner should know. Slow listening is not just about hearing words slowly. It's about training your brain. Every time you listen slowly, your brain connects sound with meaning. Slowly, those sounds become natural. Your ear starts to recognize patterns. Think of it like music. When you listen to your favorite song many times, you don't translate the lyrics, you feel them. English works the same way. Don't translate, don't rush, just feel the rhythm of the words. Because English is not math, it's music. The more you listen, the more your mind dances with the sound. Even if you understand just one new word today, that's success. A few weeks later, Alex faced his biggest test. His boss called him on the phone and spoke in English. His heart started to race. His palms felt sweaty. What if I can't understand? What if I say something wrong? But then he remembered the rule. Slow down. Listen first. He took a deep breath. The boss said, "Alex, can you send me the report today?" Alex understood, clearly. He replied slowly, "Yes, sir. I'll send it in 1 hour." The boss said, "Good, thank you." The call ended, and Alex smiled. "I did it," he whispered. "I really understood." But little did he know, his next challenge would be even harder. Speaking in English, in front of people. A few days later, his company had a meeting. The topic? Team goals for the next month. Everyone had to share their ideas in English. Alex's turn was coming. His heartbeat was loud. He wanted to escape. But then he looked at his notebook, where he had written his slow listening notes. He whispered, "I can do this," slowly. When it was his turn, he stood up. "Good morning, everyone," he said. "I want to share my idea about our project." His voice was slow. His words were simple, but clear, and everyone understood him. When he finished, people clapped. His boss said, "That was clear and confident. Great job, Alex." That day, Alex realized something powerful. Slow English is strong English. You don't have to speak fast to be fluent. You just have to speak clearly, calmly, confidently. Oh, my friend, maybe you're just like Alex. Maybe you understand a few words, but not everything. Maybe you feel shy or afraid when people talk fast. But remember this: the problem is not you. The problem is speed. Slow down. Listen again. Repeat after me. I will learn English slowly but surely. Because the slower you listen, the deeper you understand. And the deeper you understand, the faster you grow. By the way, if you've listened this far, you're already better than 90% of learners. Most people stop after 1 minute. But you stayed. You listen slowly. And that's your superpower. Maybe you can even teach Alex a thing or two now. Let's end today with a small promise. From today, I will listen slowly. I will not rush. I will not give up. I will enjoy every sound of English. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a big vocabulary. You just need patience and practice. One slow story a day. One calm moment at a time. And one day, you'll wake up and realize you understand every word, without fear, without stress, without effort. That's your journey, and it starts now. So, close your eyes. Breathe. Listen again. Because English isn't something you study, it's something you feel. Thank you for listening. See you in the next Slow English story. Until then, keep listening, slowly.